Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming power and physical integrity so you don't chase phantom problems. First, inspect the headband, hinges, and charging port for visible damage and debris. This explains many failures. Next, attempt a soft reset. Hold the power button for 10 seconds until LEDs change, then connect the original charger for 5 to 10 minutes to rule out a dead battery state. Once done, try powering on. If LEDs blink, you've isolated charging versus internals and can move to connectivity and firmware steps. You now verify the signal path and software layer because many issues hide there. Start by forgetting the Solo 3 on your phone and repair from scratch. This clears corrupted profiles. Then check firmware, connect to an Apple device or the Beats updater and apply any available updates, making sure the headphones are charged above 50% to prevent update failure. After updating, play a familiar stereo track to confirm left/right drivers and detect channel dropouts or distortion, which indicate hardware problems versus software. You finish by addressing internal hardware or escalating appropriately. If audio fails only on one side or shows intermittent connection, open the ear cup, remove the cushion, and unscrew the cover to inspect the driver and internal cable for visible breaks or detached solder joints. Carefully reseat connectors or replace the short internal cable if you see damage. Use a low-wattage soldering iron for tiny joints. If problems persist after these repairs, document symptoms and tests, then contact warranty support or a reputable repair shop with your findings.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.